So, our answer key for our quarter 3 measurement and geometry lesson Roman numeral number 3, solving real-life problems using right and oblique triangles, angles of elevation and depression, and bearings. So, number 1, it's letter A, 5.64 meters. Number 2, it's letter B, 5.0 meters. Number 3, it's letter A, 10 meters. Number 4, it's letter A, 106.1 meters squared. Number 5, the correct answer is letter D, 18.4 meters. And then number 6, the correct answer is A, 36 centimeters. Number 7, the correct answer is B, 15 centimeters. Number 8, the correct answer is 40 meters, letter C. Number 9, the correct answer is letter B, 32.6 meters. And then letter D, the correct number 10, the correct answer is letter D, 35 meters. And then number 11, the correct answer is letter B, 123 meters. And then number 12, the correct answer is letter B, 171 meters. And then number 13, the correct answer is letter D, 35 meters. And then number 14, the correct answer is letter B, 373 meters. And number 15, the correct answer is letter B, 13 kilometers. Number 16, the correct answer is letter C, 86.6 kilometers. Number 17, the correct answer is B, 10.6 kilometers. Number 18, the correct answer is 13.5 kilometers. Number 19, the correct answer is letter B, 36 kilometers. Number 20, the correct answer is B, 16 kilometers. And that's it for today's lesson here on Smile Road. If you learned something new today, don't forget to hit that like button and share this video with your classmates. And make sure to subscribe and tap the notification bell so you'll be the first to know when a new lesson drops. This is Sir M, reminding you that learning doesn't stop after the bell rings. Keep asking, keep exploring, and always walk the road of knowledge with a smile. Smile Road, where curiosity meets discovery. See you in our next lesson. Bye-bye.